Like I always say on YouTube, finance content are the most paid content on YouTube. So this is how much YouTube pay for a 15 million views here on YouTube for a finance niche. So let's get right into the video. So how much did this particular YouTube account make in 1 year? Not in 1 year. Yes, in 1 year. They made how much in 1 year? And they made over 15.6 million views in like 1 year of posting, not even consistently, but posting like once a month or twice a month. Some months they won't even post entirely and they still made good money. This money is so huge, so you actually have to sit back and enjoy. So they're able to get up to 1.3 million watch hours in the whole year. Like they were able to get over 1.3 million watch hours in the entire year on YouTube from posting just finance videos. Like I tell you guys on my previous videos, you want to learn, you want to know how to make a lot of money on YouTube, just get into the niches that pay the most, like finance niches, make money niches, and travel niches, which I made a video about that. You want to see the niches that pay the most, check my description box, go to see the link below. I want to know the niches that pay the least, description box, and see the links that the videos or the niches that will pay you the least on YouTube. The particular account got over 201.3 thousand subscribers in the whole year of posting consistently. Like they got 200,000 new subscribers. That means that if you assume they had like 100,000, they got extra 200,000, making it 300,000 subscribers in the entire year posting on YouTube, which is a lot. So how much did they make? They were able to gross over 104,251.50 cents on YouTube. That's a lot of money. Like I have been pushing this thing from the beginning of this YouTube channel. Go and start making finance content, start making finance niche. But if I'm going to advise regardless, have an idea what you're making the video about. You must not be how to make money or teaching people the money you make or anything. You must be teaching people how to budget the money, or how to like manage their money, how to manage their finance, or how to invest. And you can actually invest too while teaching other people. Like someone like me now, I might invest into Bybit, buy some coins, and if it gets profits, I'll come out here and tell you guys, okay, this is the coin I bought, and this is the profit it made me in like 2 months or 3 months. That's a finance video. Wait, you guys thought that finance videos are all about how to make money and how to make money? No, that's a big lie. If someone told you that before, that's a lie. Make money channels are like selling a product entirely. You like this product. Let me get it by this product. I bought it for $15, and this is where you can get it for $10. This is actually a finance related content. It's not fully finance. It can also be a finance related content at the same time. Do you get? You can also teach people how to invest your money, right? How to buy shares, how to the stocks that are willing to pay. Like if I had a lot of ideas about stocks, like Apple stock, banking stocks or finance stocks or e-commerce stocks, I will also share it on my YouTube channel, because it's me teaching people how to invest your money, how to buy stocks, and this is also giving me money in return, because that is going to be counted as a finance content on YouTube. And that's a lot, that's enough about how much you can make from a finance video. So do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can also make money on YouTube and I review my own content or my own pay to you guys. So I'll see you guys on a different video.